All right, so this is Module 5, and we're on Access page 116. And this time we're going to move down to the trips file. Again, those of you working with me, I'm on the R2 G5 file, and I'm going to right-click on trips, go to Design View, and we should get this. Then click in the duration field name. Down here, we see where the field size says integer, and we're going to click this drop-down list. And we want to change it to say byte, B-Y-T-E. So this is one of those ones that it's stretched way across, so it's tough to notice where you click. So I'm down here in this bottom section, all the way to the right of field size. You can see this drop-down arrow, and I'm switching it to byte. Next, we're going to go to the price up here at the top in the price field name. And we're coming down to the bottom. And under decimal, it says auto. We're going to change this to say 0. Then you can click enter to make sure it records it. This is one of those ones that gets people a little lost because we're switching views. So we're just coming up here to the view, and we're switching to data sheet. And if it asks you to save, make sure you've hit save, yes. So again, the data sheet is the actual information in the database. The other view is when we're designing how it works. It wants us to use the tab key to go ahead and move to the duration field. So I move over to tab and try to type in 300 and hit tab. And it should give us an error message because it's set to have only 0 to 255 allowed. So we're just selecting OK. And then if we hit escape, it'll kick us back out of there. So just hit escape. This is another one of those ones that's just showing you a setting that what it does, even though we incorrectly entered information. Next, we're going to move tab, or select tab until we're in the price field. You could also click over there if you need to. And we're going to type 750.99. Then hit tab. And then you can see in this entry how it corrected it to 751. That's because in the settings we just did, we turned off decimals. So again, the purpose of this one is just configuring numbers and currency settings in your database. So if you guys have done anything on the internet with paying bills or ordering something, you can see this is a type of thing that might be configured in the database that allows you to purchase something for what you're seeing, even if you're buying something like a Domino's pizza online or through an app. It's not necessarily, of course, designed in Access, but a kind of similar type technology configures these type of things. So again, that's Access page 116.